Hi, this is Miss Cindy, and this is going to be a short video on another project that I'm experimenting on. As you can see, I already started it, but I've already done a video where I did a pour over coarse gel, and it did work. But I wanted the picture to be outlined, so I went ahead and did the pour. The pour did go cover the coarse gel, but then I went ahead and put a painting on it. I outlined it. So this one, I'm trying to do a full canvas. Actually, it's two canvases, two triangle canvases. Uh, the entire canvas with a gel. And these are the three gels that I'm using. And I figured I'll go ahead and show you this because this way you can see how it dries. So this is the coarse gel, coarse pumice gel. This is the coarse pumice gel. This is the fine pumice gel, which I really like because then I can always play with that. You can make this flat, but I like making the little swirls in it. And this is the bead gel. So you can see these are I always use golden. There's the coarse, the fine, the glass bead, and the two utensils I use. So, like I said, this is two canvases, two triangle canvases, and I just have them taped on the bottom to hold them together. So when I do the pour, I'm going to start in the middle and just do my pour all the way around. So like I said, I just want to see if this pour is going to cover a whole canvas of the gels and what it looks like. So I'll be back after I do my pour. Okay, I just did my pour. Here it is. One thing I did different about this one is I used a cup and I just layered my purple, my black, my silver, and my white. But every color I put white in there, and that's only because you got to be careful with the black and the silver and purple. Makes it come out dark once they start going around the canvas. So I didn't want this to be a dark painting. So each layer I alternated and put a white in there. So I'm happy with it's not as dark. The other thing I did was normally when I do like a triptych, I just let it dry and then I go ahead and pull it apart because I usually paint the edges. This one, I used a lot of paint and I knew if I got that separated it now, that flow will go down the side. So that's the only thing I really did different. I don't see a triangle in here. I see little spots of the pumice gel. So I just got to wait and see when this dries fully if I'm still going to get my triangles back. I'll be back. Okay, I'm finished with this experiment. I like the way it came out. So I did go ahead and resin it. But I also see where I could have done better with this. I should have taken a toothpick in between each layer of gel that I use so that I can make those triangles a little bit more pronounced. And I didn't, so you can barely see where I used the flake and the fine. What you do see is the coarse pumice gel along the outside. So I'm going to do this again where I do a whole canvas in just a gel. But I did actually like the way this came out. I just think my triangles are just not defined. So this is just another experiment I was trying to do with the gel, but the gel on a full canvas. And I will be revisiting this. Anyway, just a short video where I'm playing around. Have a great day. If you like, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content.